Hi, this is Kathy Bakken. Thanks for joining me at Craft with Kathy. I truly appreciate your spending a few minutes with me, especially since we're all so busy this holiday season. Have you ever had a gift-giving dilemma? Do you have one now? Are you struggling with what to get for that special person? Do you have someone on your gift list that doesn't need anything or that's difficult to buy for? Worry no more. I have a solution. Have you ever wondered about the science of gift giving? Well, believe it or not, there have been some very interesting studies that have been done in the last few years. And don't go running away because I'm going to talk about science. Truly, it's not as dry as you might think it would be. Actually, there's two different types of strategies involved in gift giving. The first is recipient focus. And that's where basically you pay attention, or you know the person's likes and dislikes, and you try and get them something that fits maybe their hobbies, their interests, that type of thing. I try and pay attention to when somebody says, oh, I love this actor, or I love this movie, or I like this musical artist, or whatever. And then, if I recall, if I don't take notes or anything, I've got a pretty good memory though, I'll try and get them something from that particular person or that actor, maybe a movie on DVD or an album on CD or whatever. And I always thought the more I could find something that fits a person's likes or dislikes, the better, and the more that they'd enjoy the gift. The other strategy for gift giving is giver focused. And giver focused is sharing something that you personally like with the person you're giving the gift to. For example, maybe I buy my favorite book and give it to someone so that they can enjoy it also. So I share my reading pleasure with them, or maybe I give them a CD of my favorite artist so that they can enjoy the same music that I do. I always kind of wondered about giver focus versus recipient focus, and I've always basically gone with recipient focus. But interestingly enough, giver focused giving actually is what people prefer. They overwhelmingly prefer it, and it actually brings the two people closer together. And when that gift is homemade, so much the better. It shows that you've taken the time and applied your special skills in the creation of a gift for them. And let's be honest, have you ever not appreciated a handmade gift from someone? I always treasure a handmade gift. It just tells me that that person took the time and thought enough of me to share their time and create something special for me, which I just think is absolutely awesome. There's lots of different handmade gifts that you could give to a person. If you like to bake, maybe a plate of cookies would be appropriate. And I'm dropping a hint here. My favorite Christmas cookie is the peanut blossoms, which I absolutely love, but I know I'm not going to have the opportunity to make them this year. Or maybe some quick breads or banana bread, or possibly a bundt cake or something of that nature. If you like to cook as opposed to bake, then maybe some homemade soup or soup in a jar where all they have to do is dump the ingredients into a pot and cook it down. Make for an easy evening dinner. If you knit or crochet, what about mittens or a scarf or a sweater or even an oven mitt. I'm sure those would be treasured by someone. If you don't sew, what about a no-sew fleece blanket? Keep somebody warm at night or as they watch TV across their lap. Apply your special talents and the things you enjoy to create a personalized gift for someone. Maybe you're a stamper. You could stamp a set of all occasion cards for a person. Or if you're into macrame, how about a wall hanging or a plant hanger? What if you're a beekeeper? How about a jar of honey from your bees? Put it in a nice little mason jar, a nice bow or ribbon above it. How cool would that be? Give someone honey from local bees. There's lots of different things that you could also make. Candles are always good. Coconut bath scrubs, cinnamon scented hand scrubs, personalized t-shirts. Actually, I think I find that just about anything personalized is a good gift. I missed a little bit here. Let me get a little bit more chalk in this area. And check that out. Earlier this year, I did work on a few Christmas gifts a little bit ahead of time. I made this address book, adding this little quote, "Do small things with great love." Now I just have to fill out the pages for my brother. Years ago, my mom made me an address book like that, which I totally cherished. Actually, so much so, the poor thing has fallen apart. But I thought, what a wonderful thing, what a wonderful gift. In her handwriting, I just thought that was amazing. Or take a photo that you like, put it in a frame, a special frame. And what I did here is I just chalked the word love on the front. This is a picture of my mom and dad from at the Morton Arboretum, which they had a wonderful day, and I just thought it was a sweet photo of them. So I basically added the word love to the glass in front. Chalk goes on wet, dries hard, can be erased with water and a paper towel. Just spritz it, let it set a second, and then wipe it up if I wanted to change it. But I thought this would be the appropriate gift for my brother. Use your special talents. And one thing that I've just fell in love with is chalking. I've used Chalk Couture products to create this little sign for the holidays. My chalk isn't quite dry yet. And I don't know if I want to go with the star that I've just glue dotted on there or use what's underneath it. Might just actually be better. I don't know. What do you think? Chalk Couture allows you to create personalized gifts quickly and easily. Perfect for the holiday season. Perfect for that hard to gift person. I do appreciate you watching. If you'd like to see additional videos like this and more ideas for holiday gift giving, please comment VIP in the comment section below or private message me with the letters VIP, and I will add you to my VIP group where you can be privy to some special pricing, bundles, etc., and a lot more videos. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your time. Have a great holiday and a wonderful life.